Hi Stage 2, it's Mr. Salazar here. This video was made to help you prepare and plan your Pecha Kuchas, to help give you confidence. Luna, sorry, that's my puppy. To help give you confidence in planning your Pecha Kucha so that when you deliver it to your class, you feel like you're ready to go. So the first step is to think about your topic. And once you've thought about your topic, think about what's the main message you want to give to your audience. What is the purpose of your Pecha Kucha? So my topic is about Luna because I'm very passionate about her. And the purpose of my Pecha Kucha is to show the audience why I'm so passionate about her and why I really want to write a story about her life. So I'm just going to type that here in my planner here. So the purpose of my Pecha Kucha is to share Luna's story and share with the audience why I would like to write a story about her. Very simple, but now I know when I'm creating this Pecha Kucha, it always has to come back to my purpose. Luna's story and why she deserves a story written all about her. Who is my audience? It's a very important question because the way that I deliver my Pecha Kucha is going to be very different depending on my audience. For example, if I was presenting to Stage 2 students, or if I was presenting to my grandma, or if I was presenting to the Prime Minister, the way I would deliver my Pecha Kucha would be very different, right? So my audience is 4GS, and actually I'll change that to Stage 2, the Stage 2 crew. For you, your audience will be your class, and if your presentation gets chosen, you'll be selected to represent your class at a Pecha Kucha event at the end of term, and your parents will be invited, so good luck. So now that I've written my purpose and I know who my audience is, I'm going to look at my planner in more detail. You can see that it's broken up into 20 slides because a Pecha Kucha needs to contain 20 slides, and you speak on each slide for 20 seconds, okay? What I love about this planner is that it's very straightforward. It's your topic, your image, and what you're going to say. So it's very simple. So the topic for my first slide is I want to tell people the purpose of my Pecha Kucha. So I'm just going to write purpose of my Pecha Kucha. The image, I don't think that I'll have an image for the first slide. It will just be a title slide with my name on it. That squeaky noise is Luna, by the way. And I'm going to say, hello. The purpose of my Pecha Kucha is to share with you why I believe my puppy Luna deserves The purpose of my Pecha Kucha is to share with you why I will be writing for my puppy Luna. You see how I'm editing along the way and making mistakes, and that's okay. I just keep going and I don't give up. Slide 2, that's when I want to show a photo of Luna. So what I've done is I've actually put photos of Luna together already that I want to use. And I'm just thinking about, I'd really love to show like a baby photo of her. That makes sense. So I'll probably show this photo of her with her awkward turtle. So that's one of the first photos we took of her. So I'll go back to my planner. The topic is to, let me think. The topic will be why, we decided to get a puppy. And the image will be Luna and her awkward turtle. The script will be, so the script is what I'll say. Mr. Salazar and I always wanted a puppy. As soon as we got married, the first thing you did was visit a pet store. I couldn't believe when Mr. Salazar said, "This is the one." Something like that. And this is, remember, this is something that I'm going to edit, and this is not perfect, and that's okay. I know that maybe tomorrow when I revisit my planner, I might change my mind, and that's okay. Okay, so the third slide, after, I obviously want a photo where she's still a puppy, and I want to explain interesting things about Luna to my audience. So I'm probably going to show this photo of Luna with my little brother, and I want to show to my audience that Luna's really smart and she learnt tricks very quickly. So what I'm going to do is include this in my planner. So the topic will be Luna is very smart. The image will be Luna high-fiving my brother. The script will be one reason I think Luna deserves to have a story written about her is because she's so smart. She learned tricks. Luna. One reason I think Luna deserves to have a story written about her is because she is so smart. Mr. Salazar wouldn't let me put her into puppy school because it was too expensive. So I decided to learn how to be a dog trainer myself by watching YouTube. Every week I was committed to teaching Luna how to Every week I was committed to teaching Luna a new trick. It involved a lot of patience and a lot of treats. Now Luna can high five, roll over, fist bump, stay. What else can she do? She can fall. She can leave items. I think that's a lot of listing. And leave items in the room. So you can see here in my script, it's not perfect yet, and I'm going to have to make sure that I reread the script for each slide, and maybe I'll use the timer on my phone to check that each one goes for 20 seconds, because you can see right now it's not. So I think that's enough for you guys to get yourself started. With your planner, think about your purpose, your audience, and have a go at filling in the template as best as you can. If you see me around the school, please let me know how your Pecha Kucha planning is going. I can't wait to hear about them and actually watch you all present them. So good luck, and I'll see you around. Bye!